Hello there, and welcome to Shooting the Poo with Sue.
As always, Sue
D. The dynamic duo back again. So this is another weekend. We're doing 2 more videos. I started doing live on Tuesday night, so I'm hoping to continue that. Okay. It was fun. I only did it for about an hour, but it was nice. It was really nice. If I do other ones, though, I'm gonna get you in there one of these days.
Well, it's hard because on Tuesdays I drive to New Bedford.
No, I get that, but other days you don't, so we'll have to set it up for days that you don't.
There you go. That works.
Anyway, to go back with some more of my Christmas shopping and some more random stuff, some funny stuff, some not so funny stuff. I have a big old bag this time, and this one's got a bunch of box stuff that's in boxes, which I love stuff that comes in boxes. I do. Some of the boxes I keep to keep them stored in, and some of them I get rid of, but I don't know why. It's just when you get packages, it's nice when they're in boxes. So, without further ado, here's some Temu
For you.
for you. All right, Mom. Here we go. Let's put this down low.
Right here in the middle.
Yep.
There you go. And we're going to get this first one.
Yep, that's fine. That's not a box.
Ooh.
That's a blanket I bought for my bed for Christmas time.
Nice. I'm not going to take it all out.
All right, if I don't have, I don't know if I put a price on it. If I don't have prices on anything, I will put it up in the video.
Ooh,
You can take it out if you want. Yeah. I bought that for my bed. That's not someone's gift.
Oh, all right. Ooh, feel how soft that is. And I like the
Snowflakes.
Yeah, the design is
the
pretty.
silver and white to go with my room. Silver and white.
Right. No, that's nice. That feels so soft.
I know. I love it.
Very nice.
I love it. I love it. And this is big. This will fit a queen size bed.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, I always get the biggest ones. Sometimes you can only get the biggest ones are 70 something, but if they have the option for the queen size, I snatch it.
The biggest ones.
Can I say I like them big? I'm a whole lot of woman, honey. I need everything big. Look at fresh. She's fresh.
I had to. I couldn't help myself.
I
couldn't help myself.
Oh, it's all right if it doesn't all go back in there.
It
won't. No, it won't.
Yes, it will.
We'll squish it all in there anyway.
We will. See, look at that. Right in there.
Now, this is something, I'm not sure who to give this to yet. I got this for free. The Temu Circle thing, you get to pick 2. Sometimes I have 2 different accounts.
Sorry, but I have something in my eye and it's driving me nuts. Besides my eyeball. Alright.
And you get to pick 2 items, sometimes 3 items. I have 2 accounts, so one of them is 3, one of them's 2.
Yep.
Free gifts when you make a purchase on a specific page or whatever. And this was one of the gifts that I chose. And this is one of those rubber bags.
Mm-hmm.
Which I love, and it's got little baby things to put on it, but I don't know, they're so cute too. Look, it's got little teddy bears. It's got 2 of those.
Cute.
I can't see because I don't have my glasses on. I'm an idiot.
So this is the cute bag, and I guess these little holes you can pop in.
All right, it's got 2 of each of these, so it's got, yep.
How cute are these?
Right, and I like that you can interchange them because they're just those little widget, I forgot what they're called, widget things.
Yeah, oh, these are cute.
Yeah, so it's got 2 of each of these. So you can put them all on the front or whatever, or you can change them up for different ones.
Right. There we go. Oh, how cute.
Wait, one more. Oops.
There you go.
So yeah, it came with 6 of them. Oh, you're probably gonna have to untwist that.
Oh, I'm like, what the hell?
No,
is
it's just
wrong
a little
with...
twisted. It's fine.
Oh, all right. Well, we're just gonna leave it that way. What the?
I think that they just did that to lay it down, but you can untwist these. Yeah, I can't untwist them, but you can untwist them. But anyway, I love it. It's a cute little bag. I paid a lot of money for my big one. And I love this. I think this is a great little, yeah, see, these pop out. These pop out and go more. They must have just put it that way for storage. I mean, to be able to fit it
wait a
in
minute. So wait a minute. Why can't we, if it's split? All right, how about you just turn it this way? No, then it, yeah. You gosh darn diggity do.
Yeah, it's not gonna work.
No, it ain't. Whatever, but it's cute. It's stinking adorable.
But no, these come off. These pop off, so you can take it off and fix it. But I don't want to do that because I want to have it be able to be packed up.
Right.
So for right now, it can stay like this.
That. Yes.
But isn't that adorable? I got that for
adorable.
free.
That's very
And these
nice.
are nice
and
little.
it came with these little things.
Yes.
How cute.
And these are nice little bags. I mean, they're hard rubber. They're washable, waterproof. Great for the beach. Great for like small little things that you want to, go. Oh, they're just cute little bags all together. But like, you go into the store, you just got 3 diapers and a bottle to throw in. There you go. Or for anybody, you can use it for anything.
It's really cute.
But anyway, I don't know what I'm gonna do with it.
Well, where's that bag for them?
Right here. Everything's right. Everything went in that.
No, because
Yeah,
they
I
had
put-
their own little bags.
No, the 2 bears had their own little bags. All the other ones fit in one.
Oh, well then I'm missing a bag for the bear.
No, then I don't know. Just put it all in there. It doesn't matter. I have other bags at home. It's not. No, you don't have to do all that.
Oh, that's okay. I don't want them to get
She
lost.
doesn't want to go with the video. She wants to putz around and make us all wait.
Putz around. I'm gonna putz around. Putz around.
Hey, I'm the same way. I always like to, when I'm cooking, I like to clean
done.
when I'm cooking, I like to clean while I cook. I don't, when I'm doing stuff like this, I like to put it away when I'm done with it. So I get it. I can always edit out all the long stuff.
My turn.
Yes, your turn.
This one she paid $24.04. Of course, I gotta pick the biggest box.
Of course you do, because it's the best one.
Oh, is it?
I don't know. I don't remember what's in it. My help?
Oh, yeah.
We're just gonna shake it.
Shake, shake, shake.
Or not.
Shake all
All
the
right,
time.
maybe not. Jeez, maybe I won't keep this box, depending on what's in it.
Oh, wait a minute. My little handy dandy
Oh, nice.
paw knife.
Oh, my reindeer.
Oh, those are gorgeous. Ah.
Bless you. They're
Thank
made the
you.
same way as my poodle.
Oh, this is gorgeous. Oh, they're pretty.
I don't know how well they can see, but they sparkle.
Oh, they do. Oh, I want one of these sets. I do.
Well, we'll
Ooh.
just have to talk to Santa.
Oh,
Oh, yeah. Oh, these are nice and solid, too.
very solid. Very nice.
Definitely keeping them in here. I
wait a
guess we're
minute.
keeping the box, because I don't
Yeah.
want to...
Wait a minute now. I don't know where.
What? Yup, that one was that way.
No. There we go.
And this one was this way?
Yep.
Okay. Yeah, we're definitely keeping this
them-
box, because
oh,
I don't
yeah.
want them broken.
No, you got to keep them
All
protected.
right. Well, I'll put them
Ooh,
back
look
in
at
the-
all the silver
back
sparkling
in the-
everywhere. Ooh, something red.
Oh, I got that for Damien.
Oh, that's the Santa sack you were talking about.
Yes.
I think that is a cute idea because her son goes and visits people with gifts, his family and friends, and he plays Santa. And look at that. That is so cute. Oh, and it even has jingle bells.
Well, you got a lot of sparkle. Where'd the other one go? There it is. I hope it didn't break. Please tell me it didn't break. Nope, it didn't break. Oh, my
that's
God.
the box that fell.
Yes. You got sparkles everywhere. It was my deer. They fell right out of the thing.
So this is the Santa bag. How cute is that?
Yeah, he always shows up, and he looks just like Kris Kringle in that Year Without, was it Year Without a Santa Claus? Well, Santa Claus is coming to town. It was one of them. And when Kris Kringle was young, my son looked just like him, the red hair. And then now he's got the beard too. So as he started getting older, and his beard's got a little bit of white in it. And at Christmas time, he always puts on a Santa hat and then comes in with big arms full of gifts. And I thought, how cool would it be for him to have a Santa sack?
That is so cute. This is a great idea. I think he's gonna appreciate this.
You know, he said he wasn't gonna appreciate it, but I know he will.
Oh, he will. He will.
Because, you know, he's got nieces and nephews and stuff.
And they're gonna be all excited when they see that. They're gonna be like,
his
oh
friends,
my
kids.
God. Yes, they're all gonna love it. That's a cute idea.
I thought so. I thought so. All right, I'm gonna be a little more careful with this now before I put it in the box. Is there anything left in this bag? Yeah, a couple more things. Yeah, this bag didn't have a lot of stuff in it because it was some big stuff, but it's got a few more things in it. Okay, this is next. This is for Jackson. I couldn't help it.
Oh, how cute!
Think that'll fit him?
I love it.
I think it'll fit him.
I think so.
Well, look at how cute that is.
That's adorable.
Adorbs. Oh, look at all the colors. I love it. I love it.
It is cute. All right, I'll take one out.
Okay.
Here's the bag for that one.
That's for Daisy.
Oh, look at how cute for Daisy.
She's wearing a new one today. It says, "I'm Mom's favorite."
I love it. That's adorable. That's
right?
really cute. Very cute. It says love. Love, love, love.
Okay, this was another thing I got for Damien. You know how I get everybody rubber ducks? We all love rubber ducks.
That one suits him because he is muscular. He's built. He works at it.
Dun, da, dun,
That
da, da.
is so cute.
Take this duck and shove it up your ass. Dun, da, da.
That is
Super
funny.
Damien. Come on, that's so funny.
Anyway,
Anyway,
is this the last thing in here?
like I think so. Oh,
She paid $5.32. That's heavy, whatever it is. Oh, must be sheets.
6 pillowcases.
Oh, wow. Oh, and they got 4-leaf clovers on them, right? Is that it? Yeah. That's what it looks like.
Yes, ma'am.
Cute.
This is sheet set with 6 pillowcases. Makes you feel good.
Wow.
Oh no, this might be. Oh no, I think this is a quilt. No. Yeah, this is a quilt. Let's open it and find out.
Alrighty.
Well, just a little so I can feel it.
Well, here, I'm going to let you do it.
That's
I'm not
fine,
going to
that's
go
fine.
anywhere near that.
I like the color. Well, I did just order a quilt, but I didn't think it came in yet. I could be wrong. I think we gotta get you a new piece.
No.
Nope. Oh, this is a waterproof thing. I think I ordered another one. Either that or it's the quilt. I can't tell. I gotta open it. It's for me anyway, so it's all good. I gotta open it.
Yeah, that's a quilt. Yeah.
Yep, cooling quilt.
Yep.
That's what that's for. So, for a queen size bed, cooling quilt.
It's nice.
Yeah, that's what I figured.
I like the 4-leaf clover
The pattern. Yeah, I mean it's just a little something for like, cause right now the weather is not too hot.
Right.
And I don't really want to have a heavy blanket on it. I'm not using the AC anymore, so, but I do want to have a little something when it gets chilly. So I thought I'm getting a nice little quilt for my bed. Look at that. Is that it for that bag?
It is. That's it.
Holy crap. We did all right. Anyway, I hope you liked the video.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up. Like, love, share, comment, comment, comment. You know I love your comments. If you haven't subscribed,
What the hell are you waiting for?
hit that little notification bell so you can get notified anytime I post a video or post in my community page or whatever. Remember, I'm going to try, can't promise every time, but I'm going to try to do more lives too. So definitely going to try to do them on Tuesday nights and maybe another night. I haven't decided yet. But, you know, come join us. We're going to have different topics. Last Tuesday we talked about like TV shows and movies and stuff, and then someone suggested quick, easy recipes, quick and easy.
Yep.
So like we'll have all different topics for all different things. Like you never know. I mean, and guys, if there's any guys watching, some of the best chefs in the world are men. So please come on, join in.
That's right. What are you waiting for?
It doesn't have to be just women. This is not girly stuff. This is people stuff. So, yes. Anyway.
The more the merrier.
That's right. So, be happy. Be healthy. Be safe.
And be kind.
Because we need a lot more kindness in this world.
That's
And
for sure.
in the meantime, I hope you have the most amazing day ever. And we will see you soon.
Bye.
Bye. Mwah.
Mwah.